First car of the day is going to be a 2011 Hyundai Elantra Touring. I'm going to be doing the actual timing belt on it, so just stay tuned for all that. My gosh, they're getting upset because they can't remove the roof rack on top of the Palisade. So at this moment, we've got 2 or 3 guys over there messing around with the roof rack, trying to take it off because they're upset. Because they got one car going to the car show downtown, maybe next week. I think there's a car show next week. At this moment, look, you're going to see them. They're taking it down right there. You're going to see it coming down. So that's the drama that happens here at the dealership sometimes. So super funny and hilarious, I'll tell you that. All right, so basically I have the actual jack being supported on the actual oil pan. Thin piece of like foam that's touching the pad of the actual the jack towards the pan, so that there's no actual pressure being applied directly to the actual oil pan. That's pretty much it. Now I'm going to actually remove the actual engine mount on the top, take the engine mount off, take the covers off, and then I'll show you exactly what else I'm going to be doing. So you guys have 4 bolts on the water pump. The pulley that you're going to have to remove. Take the 4 bolts off. Once you remove those 4 bolts, you can continue with the actual process of removing that front cover. So that's the first cover you're going to remove. The engine mount as well too. That's another piece you're going to remove. Now you probably can see from where you guys are. You can probably see the timing belt from that side. I'm going to put it at top dead center with the crank, and I'll allow you to continue. Totally finished. This belt, inner belt on this actual thin edge. Oh my gosh. Wow. You see that belt? Wow. Look at this belt. Totally finished. So I'm going to estimate this belt. So there's 2 ways of marking and making sure that it's top dead center. Okay, you can either put something in the actual cylinder number 1 and watch it go all the way up to actually top dead center, or you can actually see it from the actual front cover and the actual line on it. Okay, so here, the pulley's off already, so I can mark it right here, just like that. Mark it here, just like this, so I can see what's going on. So now the marks are very visible, so I can see exactly where it is. Now, to indicate it's actually top dead, here's the actual cam that you got to look at, and there's a mark right here. It has to line up in between. There's a mark right on the actual head of the actual block. It has to line up right between there. Okay, that's when you know it's actually top dead center. Then on top of it, if you look down below, right, remember the markings that I made on the actual other side there?
with showing you the other camera. Now you can see the casing now it's lining up with the top dead center right there. Alright, so now you know that it's top dead center. So the crank, the cam, and cylinder number 1. Okay, and then that's pretty much it. You can take off the belt and put the new belt on, and that's it.
I'm going to release the tensioner and the dampener. I'm going to put back all the actual covers on the actual engine. That's pretty much it. I'm going to make an estimate for that old cracky belt that's there. And that's pretty much it for the job. It's almost going to be done. It's going to be done for lunch. So I'm going to get to it. I'll probably video and show you some other stuff through the actual GoPro of what I'm doing in fast motion. So give me some time and let me just finish this up for you guys.
Products to the car, bro. They gave me this for tomorrow. Okay. What's that? What? Thing on top. What? That shit. This? It's the first time I read this. What, that? Yeah. The blue thing? Oh, it's like an additive. One more black thing.
Basically, we're good. Everything's good. Timing was right. Everything's tightened. We made sure that we put back everything the way it came when we started initially working on the vehicle. That's pretty much it. If you guys like what you guys seen on the channel, just like, subscribe, and share the content to help the channel actually grow. We appreciate everybody that subscribed. Pretty much it for the day. It's lunchtime. We're signing out. Smart Tech TV.